In Wales, the land is more than just a landscape. Dyma'n cynefin. This is our cynefin. It's memory, meaning and belonging. It's where culture is rooted and passed on. Walked and worked across generations, this land holds both our past and our future. Yet, much of the wildness that once defined it has faded, and with it, a vital part of who we are. At Tir Natur, we want to give the land the space and time it needs to thrive.
Byddwn ni ddim yn rheoli'r tir mwyn cyrraedd rhyw nod penodol. Natur bydd yn ein harwain. Bydd bywyd gwyllt yn ffynnu, a bydd pobl yn ffynnu. Trwy adael I natur arwain y ffordd, byddwn yn adfer bioamrywiaeth, cryfhau gwrtnwch yn wyneb newid hinsawdd, lleihau perygl llifogydd, a chreu dyfodol gwell i'n plant. Now we found the right place to start putting this vision into practice. At over 1,000 acres, this is a special piece of land where we can start to deliver all these benefits. We'll introduce small numbers of Welsh cattle, mountain ponies and traditional breeds of pigs to drive the recovery of a diverse and dynamic landscape, just as their wild ancestors once did. Byddwn hefyd yn dathlu ac yn hyrwyddo hanes y tir, perthynas pobl a'r lle arbennig hwn, a'i rhan yn ei ddyfodol. This land represents a beautiful opportunity to work alongside communities to restore nature and create something lasting for future generations. With your support, we can bring this vision to life. Rydyn ni bron yna. We're nearly there. Diolch.